I need to moisturize, duh, but I'm going to be doing my nails with these here, and I'm going to show you how I do it using products that I found off of Amazon. There are tons of other styles as well. I'll make sure to put the links down below if you guys want to check them out. I haven't tried them yet, obviously, so I can't tell you if they're good or not, but these are the ones that I have on deck. So if you guys want to see another video, another style, let me know. But this is the one that we're going with today. These are under $10. So it comes with a nail file and some stickies, which we're gonna ditch. Oop. Cool. These are pretty thin too, so you want to make sure it's not too big, because you can see how big this one is compared to my nail. You also don't want it to be too small. That's too small. And there we go. That one is just right. As long as you know which nail goes to what finger, because you don't want them to get mixed up. Do a good job of removing the dirt and oil, or you will see it, because these nails are clear. Next is going to be some nail prep dehydrator. It comes in a set of 2 products, but this is the one that I use from the set. I have used other things, but this is just what I'm using right now, so I don't really have a preference. You just want to get your nails really nice and dry. That way they stick on there, okay? So just a little bit of this to each of your nails, and we're going to be applying it to our nails, our little fake nails as well. So a little bit for my thumb, and just on the parts where my glue is going to be. It also kind of roughs up the surface of the nail so they stick well to each other. Then I'm going to be using a product from Beetles. This is the Beetles nail glue, and you need a light to cure this. So you can't just use this and it's gonna get stuck. If you do want to use a glue, I have a good recommendation for that as well. That way you don't need light, you can just go straight to gluing them on your fingernails. Hold on to it and place it underneath the light and let it cure for maybe about 15 seconds, because this is a fast curing light. You're going to flip it over and make sure that you cure the underside as well. And that's it. It's on there. No bubbles in sight. There are some like little rough parts to the tips here that you're going to have to buff, so keep that in mind. Make sure you take care of that. And don't go too crazy, because you can buff off the paint. If you want to, you can put on a top coat and cure it, or a regular top coat, like regular polish, and just let it dry. That will work as well. The great thing about these particular nails is that you can paint them if you are over it and you don't want the design anymore, or maybe you put them down with glue and you see bubbles and it's like, it's gonna bother you. Don't take them off, don't waste your money, just paint over them. That's really, really easy to do. Here is the lamp to cure my nails. It has got a goose neck and a little clip too for convenience. I position the goose neck downwards, facing the table. That way I don't cure anything on accident. So I can apply it over here and then under the light. And when you're using a nail gel, you want to do one nail at a time. Don't try to skip any steps. Don't try to go ahead. Don't try to cut corners. You can't do this like in a dire rush. Like if you gotta be somewhere in 2 minutes, this is not it. Maybe 10 minutes, but not 2. And that's it for this tutorial. If you guys would like to purchase the kit, the polishes, any of the tools that I used, all the links will be down in the description box below. Until next time, take care, and I'll see you soon.